Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving into something really interesting, Israel's major infrastructure projects. From cutting-edge transportation systems to renewable energy, Israel is investing heavily in building its future. Whether you are into technology, urban planning, or just curious about how modern countries are evolving, this is a video you don't want to miss. So let's get right into it. Let's start with transportation, because that's where some of the biggest changes are happening. Israel is currently working on a massive project called the Tel Aviv Light Rail. This is a game changer. Tel Aviv, being one of the busiest cities in the country, has long struggled with traffic congestion. So this multi-line light rail system is designed to move hundreds of thousands of people quickly and efficiently. The Red Line, which is the first line, finally opened after years of planning and construction. It connects Petah Tikva in the east to Bat Yam in the southwest, passing right through central Tel Aviv. More lines are under construction, like the Green Line and the Purple Line, which will extend the network even further. And it's not just rail. Israel is also building new highways, interchanges, and bike paths to reduce car dependency and promote greener transport. But it doesn't stop there. Another massive plan in the works is the Tel Aviv Metro, Israel's first true subway system. This is separate from the light rail and will be completely underground. It's a multi-decade, multi-billion-dollar project that will include 3 lines, 109 stations, and serve around 2 million passengers a day once it's done. The goal: reduce travel time and connect suburban areas to the heart of Tel Aviv, all while cutting down on traffic and pollution. Construction has already started in some parts, and although it won't be completed until the 2030s, it shows how serious Israel is about long-term infrastructure planning. Now, let's talk energy. Israel is not just upgrading how people move, but also how the country powers itself. With limited natural resources, Israel has focused on solar energy and innovation. One major project is the Ashalim Solar Power Station in the Negev Desert, one of the largest solar thermal power plants in the world. It uses mirrors to focus sunlight onto a central tower, generating electricity without burning fossil fuels. This project alone can power tens of thousands of homes. The government's goal is to produce at least 30% of electricity from renewables by 2030, and projects like Ashalim are making that a reality. Water is another area where Israel really leads. The country is known for its advanced desalination and water recycling systems. For example, the Sorek desalination plant is one of the biggest in the world. It turns seawater into drinking water for millions of people. And get this, Israel recycles around 90% of its wastewater, the highest rate in the world. This kind of infrastructure is absolutely essential in a region where water is scarce. So, to sum it all up, Israel is investing big in the future. Whether it's subways, solar power, or smart water systems, the country is building infrastructure that's modern, sustainable, and built to last. It's a fascinating example of how innovation, necessity, and long-term planning come together to shape a nation's growth. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts in the comments. What do you think about these projects? Would you like to see similar developments in your country? Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.